Toyota has just unveiled pricing and updates for the 2025 GR Corolla, a hot hatch that continues to impress with its power and precision. Known for its aggressive performance, the GR Corolla brings a lot of excitement in the new model year, but with a slightly higher price tag. The 2025 GR Corolla retains its three familiar trim levels, but there's a notable change. The new Premium Plus trim replaces the outgoing circuit model. The Core model, which is the base trim, sees a price jump of $2,360, starting at $39,995 with a 6-speed manual transmission. Toyota is also introducing a brand new 8-speed automatic option for an additional $2,000, bringing the base automatic to $41,995. Moving up the range, the premium trim starts at $42,575 for the manual version, up $1,120, while the automatic comes in at $44,575. Finally, the all-new Premium Plus trim, which offers more aggressive styling with a bulged hood, functional air vents, and a carbon fiber roof, starts at $46,650 for the manual and $48,650 for the automatic. Performance-wise, the GR Corolla retains its 300 horsepower from its turbocharged 3-cylinder engine, but there's a boost in torque, now at 295 lb-ft, 22 more than previous models. This improvement brings it on par with the highly praised 2023 Morizo edition. Toyota also made sure every trim comes standard with front and rear limited slip differentials, enhancing its cornering capabilities. Another significant update is the revised suspension. New rebound springs help reduce wheel lift during hard cornering, making the GR Corolla even more responsive on the track. Models equipped with the automatic transmission now come with launch control and adaptive cruise control, adding more convenience and performance for everyday driving. In terms of design, the 2025 GR Corolla receives a minor facelift, particularly focused on improving front-end airflow for better cooling. New brake ducts and an additional sub-radiator will help keep temperatures down during track days, ensuring the GR Corolla stays cool under pressure. The 2025 GR Corolla will start arriving at dealerships later this fall, offering Toyota enthusiasts even more to be excited about. With its upgraded features, more powerful torque, and revised suspension, this hot hatch is ready to challenge its competitors while still maintaining its reputation as a thrill to drive.